Watermelon, potato, and onion peel water is the best $0 kitchen waste fertilizer. It gives plants fast growth and free nutrients without spending a rupee. One watermelon peel water benefits high in potassium and magnesium, boosts fruiting and flowering, and helps plants handle heat stress better. Uses soak the peels in water for 2 days, strain it, and use the water for tomatoes, chilies, and fruiting plants. Use once a week. To potato peel water benefits packed with starch, potassium, and phosphorus, strengthens root growth and makes leaves thicker and darker green. Uses boil potato peels, let the water cool, and use it for leafy greens like spinach, fenugreek, and aloe vera. 3 onion peel water benefits natural antifungal and pest repellent, provides calcium, iron, and potassium, prevents fungus and root rot in the soil. Uses soak brown onion peels in water for 24 hours, strain, and use it as a soil drench or foliar spray, safe for all plants. For rice water benefits starch and B vitamins, boosts soil microbes and root growth, makes stems stronger and leaves greener. Uses use the leftover water after washing rice. Let it sit 24 hours, then water plants to X a week. Great for aloe, money plant, and veggies. 5 garlic peel water benefits natural pesticide and antifungal. Sulfur compounds repel aphids, mites, and fungus gnats. Uses soak garlic peels in water for 12 to 24 hours. Strain and spray on leaves or pour at the base. Use once a week to keep pests away. Both are free, work fast, and you can mix them with the other 3 for a power tonic. Quick tip: mix all 3 to make a kitchen waste fertilizer tonic. Use it once every 7 days and you'll see plants grow thicker, healthier, and faster, completely free.